Guys, it's definitely not easy to keep a highly anticipated mobile devices under wraps in these days, but some companies are better than others at teasing important details about unannounced products without giving away all of their secrets. Carl Pei has done a very good job over the past few months of building buzz around its second gen Android handset. But now we finally know exactly what type of design revision to expect ahead of an official launch that can be the phone of 2023. So let's start, but before that, please press the subscribe and like button. Guys, we have to thank Steve for the most detailed and trustworthy Nothing Phone 2 visual leak. You should not be shocked to see the Phone 2 largely follow its procedures. Example with a transparent back panel, two rear-facing cameras, a top left hole punch and not too thick bezels all around the screen. While Nothing prides itself on the symmetrical bezels and aluminum frame that added elegance, lightness and durability to the Phone 1, this year Phone 2 appears to slightly extend the dead space around the curved display, which is likely to cause a bit of frustration for early fans. But of course, this strong metal frame is not going anywhere and the curve seems to be more pronounced than last year, possibly helping with grip and maneuverability in addition to making the handset look more premium at first glance. Compared to the previous model, the back panel may appear largely unchanged at the first glance as well. Steve and Smartfix are highlighted a number of subtle but potentially important differences in side-by-side comparison of the Nothing Phone 1 and Nothing Phone 2. The so-called Glyph interface is likely to gain new features and enhanced customization functionality. Elsewhere, the Nothing Phone 2 is confirmed to pack Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and many things more that you can check out in left side videos. And at the last, please don't forget to subscribe and like.